Yes, everyone wants to feel no pain. Yes, everyone wants to be stress-free. But are you willing to destroy your body and be buried 6 feet under the ground to do those? Live your life. Don't give it up. Your temporary relief might become your permanent disease. Don't let drugs be the foundation you leave behind as a motivation for the next generation.
If you want a diligent, comfortable, carefree, and most importantly, an intelligent life, I dare you to stay drug-free. Why spend your life getting high on drugs when you can instead getting an higher level of education that can lead to a better future that you know drugs give? Our future generations don't need a bunch of fools. They need intelligent people that will build a strong foundation for them.
I don't need drugs to get high. School can take me higher. I don't need drugs to make me laugh. My friends make me laugh harder. I don't need to get away from hardships or reality. God has good reasons making it that way. I don't need drugs. And I quote, "Drugs are a waste of time. They destroy your memory, self-respect, and everything that goes along with your self-esteem." By Kurt Cobain.
We are the future leaders, so Life-Pohnpei just stay drug-free and up or tell the next generation about the bad effect of using drugs. Because drugs will shorten your life, but in a way that will be unexpected. There are lots of bad effects from using drugs, and I believe that we already know those effects. So, if you want to complete your education or to have a better life, just stay away from drugs.